Dudes, be nice. Yeah, man. So, yesterday we talked hyperbolas. So, hyperbolas. What's the first thing we've got to do? Which way it opens? What do we look at, MBAB? What do you mean if it's X or Y? So whichever one comes before the subtraction sign, right? So X comes before the subtraction sign, left and right. Y comes before the subtraction sign, up and down. Okay? Right? Somebody else, what's next?
Center.
What about the center?
H, comma, K.
Okay.
Think opposites.
Just like everything else.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Somebody else, what's next? You bet.
Look at the A's and B's.
Okay, so a squared is going to be underneath x, right? And I'm going to take the square root of that, right? And that's going to give me the left and the right side of what? But what are we making? The box. Yep, we're going to make the box. Yep. Okay. So a squared is underneath x. Okay. We're going to square root that. That's going to tell us how far out the sides of the box are. Then what? B squared. You can take the square root of that. Where's b squared? Under the y. Okay. And what's that going to give us? Top and bottom of the box, right? Okay. What else do we need? Vertices. Where are the vertices?
Points of the bigger X.
Huh? No. Ooh, they stretch. No. So it's the midpoint of a side, right? Okay. But it goes with the direction of opening. Yes, exactly. So it's the midpoint of the sides of whichever sides it opens up to. Okay? We don't have a major and a minor axis in a hyperbola. Okay? So we can't just go off of longest side, shortest side. Okay? Yeah, we gotta go off the direction of opening. Make sure you tell Macy that too. Yeah. Okay? What else do we need? Asymptotes, right? Okay? First off, how do we make the asymptotes?
Y minus Y equals your well, H and K.
Okay. But based off of the picture, we got this box now. How am I going to make the asymptotes from this box?
You need two equations for that, right?
But how am I going to draw them in? Diagonals. They're going to be the diagonals of the box. Now, I gave you a couple of extra hints about the asymptotes yesterday, right? What was the first hint? What's the slope of the two asymptotes? One of them is going to be plus b over a. One of them is going to be minus b over a. Okay. Then I also gave you this hint. Right? Depending upon which ones, it'll always look like that. So you have to do two of those. Okay? What else? Yes.
I remember that.
We are.
Oh, yeah, C.
Foci. Yeah, you missed the fo and the I part of that. You got the C. Okay?
That's pretty good though.
Okay? It was 25% of the word, yeah. Uh-huh. Okay? So, do we have a formula for foci? Or for the distance from the center to the foci? Where are the foci located? Outside the curves? Inside the
Okay,
curves.
but like I feel like if the box is down here.
Outside of the box.
Yeah, but so it's like, yes. You know what I meant. You know what I meant. You know what I meant.
Yeah.
So this is the curve.
I think what you meant was outside of the box, inside of the curve.
Yeah.
Okay. Because then I understood what you meant.
Everybody knew what I meant.
Right.
Right.
Did I forget anything? Other than just graphing it? Yeah? All right, let's do it. Did we do this one yesterday? I can't remember. Yeah? Okay. I thought we did. Then we do this one. No, we didn't. Good try, Mace. I knew we did one. I know we didn't do two. I know, but the other one was in part of the steps. But, so, we planned our work. Let's work our plan. Alright? So, which way does this one open?
Up and down.
Up and down. Why up and down?
Vice versa.
Where be the center? What you got? Do we agree with 0, 3? Nobody wants to go with 3, 0? We could, but we'd be wrong, right? Okay. What is my A value? 7. So that means I'm going to go left and right 7 and put a wall. 7. Seven. What is my B value? 2. Means I'm going to go up 2 and down 2. So there is the box. Yes, Okay. If it opens up and down, where are my vertices? 0, 5 and 0, 1. We'll save foci for later. Asymptotes, right? So there is my actual hyperbola. In terms of said asymptotes, do we luck out? Why did we luck out? What's on the line? The center's on the y-axis. That's going to be the y-intercept for both of those, right? Okay. So what is the slope, the two slopes of my asymptotes? Plus or minus 2/7. So y equals positive 2/7 x plus 3. And y equals negative 2/7 x plus 3 are my two asymptotes, right? Because we lucked out. We had y-intercepts for both. Only thing left is foci. C squared is going to equal a squared plus b squared. So I get c is the square root of 53. Am I going to add and subtract that to the x part or to the y part of my center? The y part. So the foci are going to be at 0, 3 plus or minus the square root of 53. Square root of 53 is a little bit more than 7, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So right there would be 1, 5, 6, and 7. So right there would be the upper. Yeah, buddy. Oops. I want to go here. There we go. That's where I want to go. Go for it. Where's the center? At the origin. Man, I am just way too nice to you guys. Way too nice. Y-intercepts at the origin? A. What's A? 7? 2, 4, 6, and 7. 2, 4, 6, and 7. B. What's B? Square root of 24. Or 2 square roots of 6. Or about 4.9-ish, right? 2, 4.9. 2, 4.9. Okay. Vertices. They're in there, right? Because it's open in left and right. So that's going to be 7, 0 and negative 7, 0. Yes, sir? Okay. Let's draw in some asymptotes. Oh. Bless you. You snuffed?
Yeah, I did.
Sneezed and coughed?
Not gonna lie, but it's good.
That's right. Okay. Asymptotes. What is the slope of said asymptotes? Slope of our asymptotes. B. So what's B? What's B? I can't put a decimal inside my fraction, so we're going to go 2 square roots of 6. What's A? 7. So that's the slope of my asymptotes. So then one of them is going to be 2 square roots of 6 divided by 7x plus 0. The other one's going to be negative 2 square roots of 6 divided by 7x plus 0. C squared is going to be 49 plus 24 A squared plus B squared. 73. I got an answer.
So when you do the absolute, would you prefer it to be the 2 root 6 instead of the 4?
You can't put a decimal in a fraction. Yeah. Yeah. Decimals in fraction, bad.
Because you wrote or, like, up there. So that
Right, up there.
I know, but then I get.
That's not down here.
That's a question.
I got you. I got you. So C is the square root of 73. So where are my foci? What?
So, sorry. 0, square root of 53 times 0, and negative square root of 53.
How about 73?
Oh, that's what I'm saying.
Okay. Which is a little more than 8, a little less than 9. So they're there. Okay. I think. Oh, nope, I got one more. Let me see. Let's save it for tomorrow.